Guys, what's up everyone, and welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin, Matic network, and other coins, maybe Seller network as well. We're going to get into that in just a second. Let's start off with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king. He is the leader. As you guys can see right now, Bitcoin is pumping, guys. We are pumping approximately 5%, and the whole market is exploding right now. Look at that. Seller and Matic both up approximately 9%. They're both layer 2 options. They both help Ethereum scale, and they both have the layer 2 2.0 adoption essentially. So let's start off with Bitcoin real quick. As you guys can see right here, Bitcoin, we are in a descending channel right here, or we were in a descending channel that we actually broke out. And I've been talking about this channel for quite some time. I did mention that we were going to bounce around this level, and that we were going to see a breakout either to the downside and to the upside. Usually when you're in this descending channel, you usually break out to the upside. The second thing I want to have a look at, guys, is essentially the 200 moving average. What do we have here? This is a 200 moving average right here, the blue line, and we haven't retested that line actually since for about 3 weeks now, 3.5 weeks. So in my opinion, this is something that we're gonna have to be very, very careful. We could see a rejection right here. This is exactly where the 40,000, 42,000 level is, which lines up exactly right here, as you guys can see on the left side of my screen, with essentially the recent resistance. So this is a very, very important thing. Another thing is that we did break this resistance right here, which is very, very important. Anyways, let's have a look on the 4-hour time frame real quick. On the 4-hour time frame, we are above the 200 moving average, which is pretty good. Another thing is that we had an inverse head and shoulder right here that I've been mentioning. I think I mentioned it in my last video yesterday, and I did say that we were gonna see a breakout essentially very soon, and the neckline was approximately right here. So our target should be approximately $45,000 for Bitcoin on this run right now. So medium term, we are pretty bullish. Bitcoin looks to be great right now. To be above the the 200 moving average is pretty good. We are also above the exponential moving average, which is fire, which is fantastic. That being said, nothing too much to see over here. If we have a look on the daily time frame, and we have a look at the EMA ribbons, or the exponential moving average, we're actually in the middle right now, retesting the 45 right here, the 45 exponential moving average. So it's going to be very interesting to see if we could actually break through. If we manage to break through, I would be looking to be bullish again, depending on the volume and what happens with Bitcoin, how much volume there is. Anyways, moving on into Matic right here. Remember, guys, a few days ago, first of all, guys, the trend is your friend until it bends. Let's have a look right here on the daily time frame, guys. The trend is your friend until it bends. As you guys know, we haven't broken below the trend. Matic is currently exploding right now. Beautiful move. If we have a look at the EMA ribbon, we are actually still above it, I believe, above the exponential moving average. And I also want to have a look at the death cross, guys, the death cross on the 4 hours. So let's move that just for a second. So as you guys can see, we are breaking up right now. And if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame on Matic, Matic Polygon network, look at beautiful candle right here, and this was essentially the death cross that we had, and now we are actually probably retesting that level right here. We are most likely going to retest that 1.62 level, or the 200 moving average, which is a pretty big one. Ever since we broke below it, we've actually been trending below that moving average. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens around there. Another coin, guys, that I want to have a look at is Seller network. Very good coin, very amazing coin. I really love this coin. Matic and Seller is probably my 2 favorite coins, as you guys can see. Let me remove the drawing. Now, something I want to have a look at, or something everyone should have a look at, is this trend line right now. The trend is your friend until it bends. As you guys know, it doesn't matter if it's to the upside or to the downside. In my opinion, if we do break above this level, guys, be ready for a massive explosion. In my opinion, we saw a few hits right here, as you guys can see. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We saw massive amount of hits left and right on Seller network. So in my opinion, if we do manage to break above this line right here, be ready for an explosion to 9 cents. That's a massive increase, guys. Let's have a look. Boom, 124%, but that's not even from there. It's actually 156% from where we are right now. Sorry, from Seller network, not from Matic. I think I said Matic, I'm not so sure. Anyways, guys, very bullish on these 2 coins right now. Another coin I want to have a look at is where's ADA Cardano. Okay, I see ADA against Bitcoin right now. Here, ADA Cardano right here. Nothing too crazy to see over here. We are still making higher lows, actually. This was actually a higher low. This was a higher low than this one. I don't know if you guys know, but the wick right here is lower than this one, so that's pretty bullish. We saw a higher low right here and a higher low, so we are making higher lows on ADA Cardano, so pretty bullish. Nothing too crazy to see over here. Bitcoin is pumping. If we go to the Bitcoin dominance, a lot of money is being flown into Bitcoin right now. We are meeting the resistance, so it's going to be very interesting to see if we can actually get a rejection right here and see more money flown into altcoins than Bitcoin. Things are going to get tight right here, guys. Things are going to get interesting, in my opinion. You know, with Michael Saylor about to buy $500 million worth of Bitcoin, that's gonna be even more interesting. You know, Tesla accepting Bitcoin once again yesterday. I made that news about that. You guys can go have a look at the video. Anyways, guys, that's today's quick daily cryptocurrency video update. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.